Hi, Rich Harfrichter again with VirtualTaxOffice. This is an overview video of the Administration module, Admin for short, which provides the backbone of your VTO subscription. As a sales-oriented video, this is intentionally short, and the main goal is to provide a general sense of basic functionality and how the module operates. So if you have a specific use case you'd like to see addressed or otherwise need more information, please contact us to discuss your needs or set up a personalized demo. The admin module's purpose is to allow you to define how you and your users can use VirtualTaxOffice, including managing your subscription and your users. It wouldn't be of any use if you didn't have other modules subscribed, so it's free to all VTO subscribers. But you should limit the users who have access to it since this module is powerful, controlling things a system administrator would normally be handling. Now on to the demo. The landing page of the admin module, like all modules, is a dashboard which shows you items which may need attention with your subscription, as well as general information on your usage of VTO from a subscription standpoint. For admin, this includes 3 panels. One for your users, including warnings on low or no user licenses available per module. Another for storage with similar information and warnings per module if they apply. And the third for managing your subscription. Each of these include a Manage button for more detail related to that function. Clicking these, the allocated users detail provides information on the number of users allowed and currently assigned to each module, and includes the ability to add or reduce the user allowances for each one as needed. Any increases are prorated to the end of your org chart subscription cycle and will be renewed automatically on your renewal date unless you reduce the allowance before that date occurs. The storage usage detail provides the same information and options per module, but for file storage rather than users. For both users and storage, you cannot reduce an allowance if that reduction would result in your current usage being over your current allowance. So you may need to reduce storage used or users assigned to a module before you can reduce the subscription level for that module. The subscriptions detail shows your renewal information about your current subscription per module, including your overall subscription renewal date, and allows you to add or drop modules from your subscription. You can also update your credit cards on file or cancel your subscription entirely, although of course we hope you don't do that. The Return to Administration button just gets you back to the admin homepage. Beyond the dashboard, the main functions include VTO Setup, which is a startup checklist typically used when you first subscribe to VTO, User Management, which allows you to add and manage your users, Configuration, which allows you to set your preferences for your subscription, and Activity Reports, which shows login and other activity by user. New client administrator users are taken to the VTO Setup page upon their first login. This page gives you step-by-step directions and links to complete your organization's setup for your subscription. They're generally arranged in the order you should perform each item, but it's not required that you follow that order. If you ever want to update an item and forget the menu path for it, the VTO Setup page is a good place to look, and clicking the Go button will take you right to the page where you want to go. The VTO Setup page is specific to the admin module though, so even after you complete all the setup items here, you'll still need to set up your entities and locations in the org chart module. That's covered in another video. Next is User Management, which allows you to add and configure each user in your organization. Users can be assigned a specific role for each module, including no access, which then does not count against your allowed users for that module. Typically, the administrator role for a given module is the only role allowed to set that module's preferences and options, so you should assign at least one admin user to each module which you have subscribed. The business unit assignment allows you to limit the records that user can access to those of entities assigned to that specific business unit only. This is useful for larger organizations that have staff dedicated to specific groups of entities, or for service providers using VTO as a client portal, as clients can be set up as business units, and those users can only see information related to their entities and not those of other clients. There's no limitation on how many entities are assigned to a specific business unit, but an entity can only be assigned to one business unit at a given point in time. Moving on to configuration, this page is used to set up your login message and logo, as well as your contact information. Additionally, you can set your password policy here so it meets the needs of your organization, including requiring resets, the use of special characters, and minimum length of passwords. You can also set your two-factor authentication policies on this page as well. The module preferences allow you to control which module is used for management of your customer and vendor listings, which are shared for each module which uses them. Currently, only Exert uses this data, so this is the default, but our roadmap includes future modules which will share these master lists, like our coming W-9 1099 withholding module. The activity reports show you login activity for your users. You can search by all of these variables, and they're cumulative, so the more filters you add, the tighter your results become. Admin is the only role available for this module, which gives users access to all module features. The alternative is no access, which would be the majority of your users. There you have it, an overview of the VTO Administration module. We hope this was helpful, but if you need any more information, please let us know or check with one of our partners. For more detail about any other module of VTO, check out our other overview videos. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you in our community soon.